Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to give mouse control to other participants in Zoom, right on your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. Alright, let's get started. First, launch Zoom. Log in with your account through the app or website. Click My Account, then select Settings from the menu. Scroll to the Meeting section and click Meeting Basic. Look for the Remote Control option and flip it on. Done. Now, during a meeting, you can share control with others. And that's it. You've successfully enabled mouse control sharing in Zoom. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.